Okay. This is burping video number 3. I'm wearing the same coat. I'm in the same place. Ha ha ha. Okay, here we go. What the crap? Okay. Sorry. I just ate chicken noodle soup. And I really hope it didn't come up in this video. Here we go. God, these are weak. I was doing them the other day at school and they were freaking awesome. Okay. Oh my God. I apologize for my weak performance. Okay. Oh my God, this is gay. No offense, Brandon. This is straight. Finally, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Here we go. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna do the third one. Gotta do 3 anymore. Whoa. Row. Alright, here we go. Yeah! Alright, I gotta do one more because this is awesome. Wow, that would happen, wouldn't it? Okay, well, whatever. I did 3 in a row. Ta-da!